For decades, premium carbon steel knives have been viewed as the gold standard of bushcraft. Hand-forged blades, exotic handle materials, custom leather sheaths, and price tags that can easily exceed $500 have convinced many outdoor enthusiasts that expensive automatically means better. Scroll through any bushcraft forum, and you'll find countless people claiming that luxury carbon steel knives are the only serious option for wilderness survival. But once those same knives leave the display case and enter real forests, mountains, and backcountry camps, the story often becomes far more complicated. In the real world, performance isn't measured by polished finishes, famous makers, or limited production numbers. Today's countdown isn't about saying these knives are bad. In fact, every knife on this list is exceptionally well made and respected within the knife community. The real question is whether their premium prices actually translate into significantly better bushcraft performance compared to far less expensive alternatives. From handcrafted American customs to highly sought-after boutique makers, we'll examine why luxury doesn't always equal practicality when survival depends on your equipment. Starting with number 9. Let's look at a handcrafted bushcraft knife that showcases both the strengths and the limitations of premium carbon steel in real outdoor conditions. Number 9. BeaverKnife BSH-3 Bushcraft. Starting our countdown is the BeaverKnife BSH-3 Bushcraft, a handcrafted fixed blade that has quietly earned a strong reputation among bushcraft enthusiasts looking for traditional craftsmanship without mass production shortcuts. Built in Ukraine, the BSH-3 immediately stands out because of its clean, classic design. Instead of aggressive tactical styling or oversized dimensions, BeaverKnife focused entirely on creating a practical outdoor tool. The full-tang construction provides reassuring strength, while the beautifully shaped hardwood handle offers a warm, natural grip that feels comfortable during extended carving sessions. The Scandinavian-style blade geometry excels at feather sticking, carving tent stakes, preparing kindling, and completing the countless precision tasks that define real bushcraft. Every detail reflects careful craftsmanship, making the knife feel more like a handmade tool than a factory-produced product. In calm outdoor conditions, the BSH-3 performs exactly as a premium bushcraft knife should. It cuts cleanly, carves efficiently, and gives users excellent control throughout a wide variety of campsite chores. There's no question that BeaverKnife has created a beautifully crafted outdoor companion. However, this is where the difference between luxury craftsmanship and real-world practicality begins to appear. Built from 80CRV2 carbon steel, the blade delivers excellent toughness and is relatively easy to sharpen in the field. But like nearly every traditional carbon steel, it demands consistent maintenance. During extended camping trips involving rain, snow, river crossings, or humid environments, users must regularly clean and oil the blade to prevent corrosion from developing. Many buyers invest in expensive handcrafted knives expecting perfection, only to discover that the wilderness doesn't care how beautiful a knife looks. Dirt, moisture, sap, and constant use treat every blade exactly the same. The BSH-3 proves that even outstanding craftsmanship can't eliminate the maintenance requirements that come with traditional carbon steels. It remains a dependable bushcraft knife, but its premium appearance doesn't automatically make it more practical than many affordable alternatives working under the same conditions. Number 8. Adventure Sworn Huntsman, a knife that has become one of the most admired names in the premium bushcraft world. Handmade in the United States, every Huntsman reflects an extraordinary level of craftsmanship. From its hand-finished blade to its beautifully contoured natural handle scales and premium leather sheath, it's immediately obvious that this isn't an ordinary production knife. The Huntsman follows a classic bushcraft philosophy, prioritizing balance, comfort, and precision over flashy tactical styling. Its full-tang construction gives the knife outstanding strength, while the Scandi-inspired edge allows effortless feather sticking, trap carving, spoon carving, food preparation, and countless other camp tasks. Every movement feels smooth and controlled because the knife was designed by people who genuinely understand life in the outdoors. For experienced bushcrafters, using the Huntsman is an enjoyable experience. It feels refined, responsive, and incredibly capable, making it easy to understand why demand often exceeds production and waiting lists can stretch for months. There's no doubt it's a premium tool built by skilled craftsmen who take enormous pride in every knife they produce. But once the Huntsman enters demanding wilderness conditions, the conversation becomes more practical than emotional. Built around 01 tool steel, the knife offers excellent toughness, dependable edge stability, and simple field sharpening, qualities that have made 01 a favorite among custom makers for decades. However, those same advantages come with familiar compromises. Extended exposure to rain, humidity, blood, tree sap, and damp leather sheets requires constant maintenance to prevent corrosion and staining. In real bushcraft, you're rarely working in perfect conditions. You're kneeling on wet ground, processing damp firewood, preparing meals in unpredictable weather, and often putting your knife away while it's still dirty. That's exactly where expensive carbon steel knives begin to lose some of their advantage. The Huntsman still performs beautifully, but it demands the same level of care as knives costing a fraction of its price. Number 7. LT Wright GNS. Designed as an all-purpose wilderness companion, the GNS, short for Go No Show, is built around the idea that one knife should be capable of handling nearly every task you'll encounter in the outdoors. From the moment you hold it, that philosophy becomes obvious. The full-tang construction provides excellent strength without making the knife feel unnecessarily heavy, while the ergonomic handle naturally locks into your palm, allowing exceptional control during long carving sessions. Whether you're creating feather sticks, carving traps, preparing food, processing kindling, or shaping tent stakes, the GNS performs with impressive precision. Its practical blade profile offers an excellent balance between slicing ability and durability, making it equally comfortable handling delicate bushcraft work and tougher campsite chores. LT Wright has spent years refining this design, and that experience shows in every aspect of the knife. Rather than relying on aggressive styling or oversized dimensions, the GNS focuses entirely on efficiency, comfort, and dependable field performance. It's exactly the kind of knife experienced outdoorsmen appreciate because it quietly gets the job done without unnecessary attention. However, the LT Wright GNS also perfectly illustrates why expensive carbon steel isn't automatically superior during extended wilderness use. Most GNS models are produced in 01 steel, a material highly respected for its toughness, fine-edge stability, and ease of sharpening in the field. Those qualities make it excellent for bushcraft, especially when working with wood for extended periods. But like every traditional carbon steel, Number 6. Battle Horse Knives Woodsman Pro. Battle Horse Knives has earned a loyal following by producing traditional bushcraft tools that emphasize reliability, comfort, and practical field performance instead of flashy tactical styling. The Woodsman Pro is a perfect example of that philosophy. Its full-tang construction provides exceptional durability, while the contoured handle offers one of the most secure and comfortable grips on this list. Even after hours of carving, preparing kindling, or processing firewood, the knife remains comfortable in the hand with very little fatigue. The carefully designed drop-point blade delivers outstanding control for feather sticks, trap making, food preparation, and general campsite work. Rather than trying to excel in one specific task, the Woodsman Pro is designed as an all-around outdoor companion capable of handling nearly everything a bushcrafter encounters. Its balanced weight distribution makes every cut feel natural, while the overall craftsmanship immediately reminds you that this is a premium handmade knife created by experienced craftsmen who understand real outdoor use. From the fit of the handle scales to the clean grind lines on the blade, every detail reflects quality that enthusiasts expect from a luxury bushcraft knife. However, once the Woodsman Pro enters demanding wilderness conditions, the difference between luxury craftsmanship and practical performance becomes increasingly noticeable. Most versions are produced in 01 steel, a material widely respected for its toughness, excellent cutting characteristics, and ease of sharpening with simple field equipment. Those qualities make it a fantastic bushcraft steel, especially for people who enjoy traditional outdoor skills. But they don't eliminate the responsibilities that come with owning premium carbon steel. Long days of rain, damp campsites, humid forests, food acids, and repeated exposure to moisture all require careful maintenance if you want to keep the blade in excellent condition. The Woodsman Pro remains an outstanding luxury knife, but it also proves that premium pricing doesn't automatically translate into fewer compromises once the work begins. Number 5. Fiddleback Forge Recluse, handmade by renowned bladesmith Andy Roy. Every Recluse reflects an incredible level of craftsmanship that few production knives can match. From the perfectly sculpted handle to the hand-finished blade, it's immediately obvious that this knife was built with meticulous attention to detail rather than mass production. The ergonomic handle is one of the Recluse's greatest strengths, allowing the knife to settle naturally into the hand while providing excellent control during prolonged carving sessions. Whether you're crafting feather sticks, shaping traps, processing kindling, preparing meals, or performing detailed woodworking around camp, the knife feels remarkably precise and effortless. The blade geometry is intentionally optimized for slicing performance instead of brute strength, allowing it to glide through wood with impressive efficiency. This combination of balance, comfort, and craftsmanship explains why Fiddleback Forge has become one of the most respected names in the premium bushcraft world. Many owners describe the Recluse as more than just a tool. It's a knife that represents years of traditional craftsmanship and a genuine passion for outdoor living. Despite its exceptional reputation, the Fiddleback Forge Recluse also highlights an important lesson that many luxury knife buyers eventually learn. Most models are crafted using 01 tool steel, a classic carbon steel known for excellent toughness, fine edge stability, and straightforward field sharpening. These qualities make it an outstanding performer when carving hardwood, processing firewood, or completing precision bushcraft tasks. However, once the knife is exposed to real wilderness conditions, 01 demands exactly the same attention it always has. Rain, humidity, tree sap, acidic foods, damp leather sheaths, and long days in the field require consistent cleaning and oiling to prevent corrosion from developing. That's not a failure of craftsmanship. It's simply the natural behavior of traditional carbon steel. This is where luxury and practicality begin to separate. The Recluse undoubtedly offers superior fit, finish, ergonomics, and attention to detail compared to many affordable bushcraft knives, but those refinements don't eliminate the maintenance required by its blade steel. Number 4. North Lake Forge Kephart. The original Kephart pattern, developed by legendary outdoorsman Horace Kephart, has remained relevant for more than a century because of its incredible simplicity and versatility. North Lake Forge honors that legacy by combining traditional craftsmanship with modern precision, creating a knife that feels equally at home in today's wilderness as it would have generations ago. The first thing you'll notice is how perfectly balanced the knife feels in your hand. The full-tang construction provides reassuring durability without unnecessary weight, while the carefully contoured handle encourages exceptional control during long carving sessions. Whether you're carving feather sticks, making trap components, processing kindling, preparing food, or shaping wooden tools around camp, the Kephart pattern performs with remarkable efficiency. Its straightforward blade profile isn't designed to impress with aggressive styling. It succeeds because every curve serves a practical purpose. That's exactly why experienced bushcrafters continue to trust this timeless design after all these years. North Lake Forge has simply refined an already outstanding platform through meticulous handmade craftsmanship and premium finishing, creating a luxury bushcraft knife that feels both traditional and remarkably capable. Built around 01 tool steel, it delivers excellent toughness, impressive edge stability, and outstanding ease of sharpening in the field. Those qualities have made 01 one of the most respected bushcraft steels for decades. However, real-world wilderness conditions expose the same compromises that every premium carbon steel owner eventually encounters. Rainfall, damp campsites, humid forests, food preparation, and extended exposure to moisture all require consistent maintenance if you want to keep corrosion under control. That's where many buyers begin questioning whether luxury pricing truly changes real-world performance. The answer is surprisingly simple. It doesn't. While the North Lake Forge Kephart offers exceptional craftsmanship, refined ergonomics, and beautiful finishing, it still requires the same careful attention demanded by much more affordable carbon steel knives. Number 3. Koster Bushcraft Knife. Created by renowned custom maker Dan Koster, this knife wasn't designed to be flashy or collectible. It was built to be used. Every detail reflects years of practical outdoor experience, from the carefully proportioned blade to the ergonomic handle that feels secure even during long hours of demanding work. The full-tang construction inspires immediate confidence, while the blade geometry strikes an ideal balance between precision carving and heavier camp tasks. Whether you're splitting kindling with controlled batten work, carving feather sticks, preparing food, shaping wooden tools, or processing game, the Koster Bushcraft knife performs with remarkable consistency. One of its greatest strengths is how naturally it transitions between fine detail work and tougher cutting tasks without ever feeling awkward or oversized. That's exactly why it has become such a respected name within the custom bushcraft community. Instead of relying on marketing or tactical styling, the knife has earned its reputation through years of dependable field performance. It represents everything many outdoorsmen admire about traditional handmade bushcraft knives: simple design, premium craftsmanship, and absolute confidence in the field. However, even the Koster Bushcraft knife demonstrates why luxury carbon steel isn't automatically the perfect solution for every survival situation. Commonly crafted in 01 tool steel, it delivers outstanding edge stability, excellent toughness, and the ability to be sharpened quickly with simple field equipment. Those characteristics make it an exceptional wood processing knife and one of the finest carving tools on this list. But the same steel that performs so well with wood still requires constant attention whenever moisture enters the equation. Rain, snow, wet vegetation, acidic foods, and damp leather sheets all increase the risk of corrosion if maintenance is neglected. That's the reality many first-time luxury knife buyers don't fully appreciate. Spending hundreds of dollars doesn't remove the responsibilities that come with traditional carbon steel ownership. In real-world bushcraft, reliability comes just as much from the owner's habits as it does from the knife itself. Number 2. Knives Kephart. Built by master bladesmith Matthew Lesniewski of Knives. This knife is widely respected among traditional bushcraft enthusiasts because it focuses on function instead of unnecessary complexity. At first glance, the design appears almost deceptively simple. There's no oversized finger guard, no aggressive tactical profile, and no futuristic styling. Instead, every element exists for one purpose: to perform efficiently in the wilderness. The full-tang construction delivers excellent durability, while the carefully shaped wooden handle provides a comfortable grip that remains secure during extended carving sessions. The slim, practical blade excels at feather sticking, food preparation, trap making, woodworking, and countless everyday camp chores. One of the biggest strengths of the Kephart pattern is its versatility. Rather than specializing in one particular task, it performs nearly every bushcraft job with impressive consistency. That's exactly why this design has survived for well over a century. The ML Knives version elevates that proven platform through handcrafted precision, giving users a knife that feels balanced, responsive, and incredibly natural in the hand. It's the kind of tool that quietly earns trust after every trip into the woods. But even a knife as respected as the ML Knives Kephart reminds us that premium craftsmanship doesn't eliminate the realities of traditional carbon steel. Built using 1095 high carbon steel, the blade offers excellent toughness, dependable edge stability, and effortless field sharpening, qualities that have made 1095 one of the most trusted survival steels for generations. Yet those same characteristics come with familiar responsibilities. Long days in humid forests, heavy rainfall, river crossings, food acids, and damp leather sheets all create conditions where corrosion can begin if the blade isn't properly cleaned and protected. During a weekend camping trip, that's usually manageable. During extended wilderness expeditions, however, maintenance becomes part of your daily routine. This is exactly where many luxury knife buyers realize that spending significantly more money doesn't eliminate the practical limitations of carbon steel. Number 1. Burt Foster Hunter. Created by ABS master smith Burt Foster, this knife is admired throughout the knife world for its exceptional craftsmanship, flawless finishing, and timeless design. Every detail reflects decades of experience, from the perfectly balanced full-tang construction to the hand-shaped handle that feels almost custom-fitted the moment you grip it. The blade geometry is refined for maximum cutting efficiency, allowing the knife to glide effortlessly through wood, game, rope, and food preparation tasks with remarkable precision. Whether you're carving feather sticks, dressing game, processing kindling, or completing detailed camp chores, the Burt Foster Hunter performs with the confidence expected from a master-crafted blade. Built from 52,100 carbon steel, it delivers exceptional toughness, outstanding edge stability, and remarkable cutting performance. In dry conditions, it's nothing short of extraordinary. However, once the knife enters real-world bushcraft environments filled with rain, humidity, mud, blood, tree sap, and changing weather, the same maintenance requirements return once again. Like every traditional carbon steel blade on this list, it must be cleaned, dried, and protected regularly to prevent corrosion from developing. That's not because the knife is poorly made, quite the opposite. It's because even the finest craftsmanship cannot rewrite the natural properties of carbon steel. This is the point many buyers overlook when investing in luxury knives. A premium handcrafted blade absolutely provides better ergonomics, tighter tolerances, superior fit and finish, and an incredible ownership experience.